You can't just watch it on YouTube and figure it out. Right. Worth traveling to get here to get the good hands-on education. I'm Sherry Michelle.
I'm Russell Michelle. We're both from Elko, Nevada. It's where we currently live. We're here to add clear bra paint protection to our current window tint business that we have. It's called We Tint 'em.
Yeah, we did the tint class about a year and a half ago.
Actually, we Googled it. Not necessarily the school, but we kind of looked around at some of the different schools in the area, and this one just seemed to have more quality in the training from what we could tell. So this is one we chose and went with.
We had a lot of customers asking us if we did clear bra paint protection. So I think that was our biggest thing, was we knew people wanted it.
Yeah, I think a lot of it was we offered the window tint already, which help protect, the interior of your vehicle and whatnot. Well, we live in an area where there's a lot of dirt roads, a lot of hunting, gold mining. So a lot of bigger off-road type vehicles, which, kick up a lot of rocks, and felt like this would be a good addition to what we do already.
It was really different than tint. Some of the techniques are the same.
I don't think we were as nervous as we were the first time we came here. Not really knowing what to expect when we started doing window tint. But we got to know the instructor a little bit, and he made us comfortable. We felt, pretty confident when we left the class before. So I felt like we came into this class kind of knowing or expecting, good training, and Ruben made us feel real comfortable, and he was right there with us the whole time, and let us know what we did right, what we did wrong, and what we could do better, or different tricks to improve the application. I think it was just kind of trusting Ruben's word, and not him telling us not to put pressure down on it, and just kind of relax your hand, and repetition.
You can't just watch it on YouTube and figure it out.
No.
Like, this actually gets you in there. You feel the film, you feel the blade, you feel it all. I would say definitely go to school, get your training, get certified. That helps. I think it eases the customer's mind too. If you say you can go down the street to someone, or you can come to a certified tinter or paint protection film installer, It's worth traveling to get here to get the good hands-on education. If there's anything we want to expand to, we'll definitely be back here to learn.
Yeah, I don't think we need to get too big for the two of us, because we're the only employees owner-operated, but
we'll see what the customers ask for.
I think for sure we'll be back here to learn different skills that you guys offer, and keep expanding our business, because that's our life now. Well, David Army, he's the one that we contact for coming to this class, and he's always sending us emails on different things that he can offer, or the school offers. But when we initially came here for tint, he set us up, gave us directions, told us, where you could stay, itineraries, all that, like everything was in order. And same with coming back to this class. He told us, when the class is going to start, where to go, pretty much a map to get here. It was easy. Just come in and get to work.
If you're thinking about coming to Right Look, definitely do it. It's worth it. And I'd say if you're thinking about going to school or considering it, to just definitely go ahead and come to Right Look. You'll get a great hands-on experience. Lots of training.
Even if you just need to add something more to your business or, up your skill, even if you're already doing that type of work, this is a great place to come.